Welcome to another tip, and this week's photography tip is eye contact. Do you need it? So a lot of people insist on getting you to look into the camera and smile and say cheese and make that eye contact with the lens, but is it necessary? With kids especially, I find it much more enjoyable to just capture them when they're playing in the playground or doing whatever they want. So with my daughter, when we were in the park, when she was young, we'd have her on the swing, and I didn't even think about having her eye contact at all, because it was all about capturing that exuberance for life that children have. So it's the same with people that you love. When you capture your loved one, you'll probably find that some of the best images are the ones where they're not looking at the camera and they're less aware of themselves, so that they've got a genuine smile. So yes, just don't always worry about making eye contact on your images. It's not necessary. So that's it. Go and have fun with that one, and I'll see you on the next tip. Bye bye.